In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new default apps. I already did that with Opera Mini, so I can go into devices settings right away. In settings, tap on apps and notifications. Select default apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click over here. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it. And select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!